In today's lesson, we are going to learn about expand a pair of binomials. Yeah, when we talk about the binomials, it means we are getting two values of x. Yeah, by by means two values of x, right? Means x can be 3 or x can be 4. X can be -2 and x can be any number. Let's take 5. Okay, so if we take this x equal to 3, so it means x minus 3 will be equal to 0. Yeah, and if we take x equal to 4 here and bring 4 inside, it will be x minus 4 equal to 0, right? And once we multiply this x minus 3 times x minus 4, okay, so multiply x times x is x square, x times minus 4 is minus 4x, minus 3 times x is minus 3x, and minus 3 times minus 4 is plus 12 equal to 0. So if you tidy up this minus 4x and minus 3x, so minus 4x minus 3x, Sidra, how much it is? Minus 4x and minus 3x is? Yes, thank you. So it is minus 7x, be little loud. Thank you, Sidra. 12x. So if you see, what do you notice here? X has some power, right? X has some power. Can you see here? There is a power here too, right? So 2 is saying it is binomial, or we can say we will get two values of x. And which two values of x we are getting? X equal to 3 and x equal to 4. See, we started our journey from here, right? So if you solve that, you will get x equal to 3 and x equal to 4. And if you take 3 inside, it should be x minus 3. If you take 4 inside, it should be x minus 4. And if you multiply these things, you will get a quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation means when x has power 2. Okay, or you'll get two values of x. Is that fine? So in today's lesson, we are learning about expanding. Everybody is okay what binomial is? Yeah. So what is binomial, Joshan?
It's when it has two x's.
Two x's or two values of x's. Dilraj, when is what is monomial? One value of x. Thank you. When you are getting one value of x, right? One value of x. Okay. Then it is called monomial, right? When you get two values of x, two values of x, then it is called binomial. Binomial. And two and more values of x, then we say polynomial. Okay, two and more values, then we can say polynomial. So we are going to expand today two binomial questions. See here. So first question is question number 1. It is x minus 3 and x minus 5. Okay, and still we are following here SNL rule. S stands for sign, N stands for number, and L stands for letter. Okay, so we need to do it here. Now, if you see, first we need to multiply sign with x. Which sign is here? Positive sign. Okay, that's fine. And with this x, which sign is here? Positive sign. Yeah. So first we are multiplying sign. So let's write down the question here. X minus 3 and x minus 5 again. And there's a positive sign and there's a positive sign, right? You are multiplying this. So first you multiply sign. So plus and plus remains plus. Thank you. So plus you write or you don't write, it hardly matters. Then you multiply sign we have done. Multiply number. Yeah. So there is, which number is here in front of x? There is no number, then you can't say it is 0, it is 1. So it is 1 there. So 1 times 1 is 1. Either you write 1 or you don't write 1, doesn't matter. And then letter. X and x, you multiply, it should be x square, right? Now, when you multiply x with minus 5, so first multiply sign. Plus and minus becomes minus. And there is number 1 here. 1 times 5 is 5. And letter, there is no letter, so only x is coming. Okay. Same thing here. First you multiply sign, minus and plus becomes minus, and 3 times 1 becomes 3, and there is no letter, so it should be x. This becomes plus. Number 3 times 5 is 15, and there is no letter, so just leave it. Yeah, these two number minus 5x and minus 3x. Aziza, when we simplify minus 5x and minus 3x, what do you get? Minus 5x and minus 3x. 2x. Okay, so minus 5x and minus 3x. Aziza said 2x. Okay, how many of you are happy with this answer? Sanjana, are you happy with this answer? Okay, so what is wrong here? It should be 8x. Okay, that's fine. Is Sanjana right? She said minus 5x minus 3x is 8x. Okay, what is confusion here? What she is missing? What she's, yes?
Sign.
Yeah, so minus sign. Yeah, so remember Sanjana and Aziza, whenever there are two minus sign like minus 3 and minus 4, so I explained you, if they are same sign, then you add it and always put big number sign. Okay Sanjana, if it is minus 7x and plus 5x, one number is minus and one number is plus. Opposite sign means minus or take away. So 7 take away 5 is 2 and put big number sign, right? Always put big number sign. So remember, when sign are same, then you add it and put big number sign. When sign are same, then you add it and put big number sign. When sign is different, then you take away and put big number sign. Okay, so x square, so it should be minus 8x and plus 15. So is there anything which is not clear in this question? Okay, let's go for another question. See, so another question is, you are going to try on the whiteboard. So here it is 2x plus 3 and minus 3x minus 5. Okay, try it on the whiteboard and show me your answer. Okay, so thank you those who have done it. Okay, so just see here, plus 2x doesn't have sign, so we can put here plus, and every number has a sign. So we are following here sign, number, letter rule. So first you multiply sign. So if you multiplying here, plus and minus becomes minus, and then multiply number. 2 times 3 is 6. Then multiply letter. X times x is x square. Now 2x is plus 2x is going to multiply with minus 3x. So sign plus and minus becomes minus. 2 times 3 is 6, and x times x is, sorry, plus 2x, my fault, plus and minus becomes, we are multiplying here with minus 5. So plus and minus becomes minus. 2 times 5 is 10, and only one letter is there, that is x, right? Is that okay? Yeah. Okay. Now the next you are multiplying 3 with minus 3x, right? So 3 with minus 3x. So let's do it. First multiply sign, plus and minus becomes minus. Then number, 3 times 3 is 9, and letter, that is x, and multiply this. Plus and minus becomes minus. 3 times 5 is 15, and no letter, right? Again, minus 10x and minus 9x. So I told you, when they have same sign, then you need to add, and after adding you need to put big number sign. So minus 6x square. So Yunus, minus 10x and minus 9x, when you will add, what will be your answer with sign? Yeah, try. Minus 10x and minus 9x, once you add, what will be your answer? Minus 1x. Okay, didn't I tell you, if they are same sign, then you need to add. If there are opposite sign, then you need to take away. So they are same sign. Aziza? Thank you. So it is minus 19x. So Yunus, they both are minus, same sign. Then you add 10 and 9, 19, and put big number sign, and minus 15. So this is your answer. Okay, so those who got it, that's fine. Yeah. Now, next question I'm going to give you here. You need to try that question on the whiteboard first. So question number 3, you are going to try 2y minus 4x minus 3y plus 5x. Please try this question. So with 2y, there is a plus sign. So first we are multiplying this, right? Okay. Once you multiply, so plus and minus becomes minus, and 2 times 3 is 6, multiply a number, and then y square. So now you understand we are multiplying this. So plus and plus becomes plus, multiply a number, here this 2 and this 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. Y times x is xy. Now multiply this. Minus and minus becomes plus. Then 4 times 3 is 12. And x times y is xy. And the last one is, you are multiplying here. Minus and plus becomes minus. 4 times 5 is 20. And x is square. Okay. So minus 6y square. It is straight, plus 10xy and plus 12xy. Peter, what should be your answer?
22xy.
So 22xy, and this is minus 20x square, right? So those who got this right, so congratulations to them. And if you have done any mistake, please correct it. Okay. Now let's go for another question. Okay, I have given here 4 practice questions. These questions you need to try in your book, and then you can check your work solution with my work solution. Please start. Okay, so hope you have tried all these 4 questions. Check your work solution with my work solution. So we are following here sign, number, letter rule. There is a plus sign, okay, and number 1. So multiply. Yeah, it is. That's fine. Yeah. So plus and plus becomes plus. Yeah, I'll just fix it. So plus and plus becomes plus. Number is 1 here, and here is also 1. If you want to write down 1 here and 1 here, so number will be 1. 1 we do not write in algebra. So sign done, number done. Now letter. X times x is x square. This is done. Now plus 1x is multiplying with minus 5. So plus and minus becomes minus, and 1 times 5 is 5 because there is number 1 here, and only one letter, that is minus 5x. Now we are multiplying this. Minus and plus becomes minus. 7 times 1 is 7x, and multiply this. Minus and minus becomes plus, and 7 times 5 is 35. So x square. Now this is minus 5x and minus 7x. So Nitin, minus 5x minus 7x, what did you write? Minus 12x plus 35. Yeah, this is your first answer. Second answer is, there is no sign, it is plus and it is minus. So see, working. First multiply sign. Plus and minus becomes minus. Multiply number. 2 times 3 is 6, and multiply letter, that is x square. Now multiply this. Plus and plus becomes plus. 2 times 2 is 4x. Okay. Now multiply this. Plus and minus becomes minus. 3 times 3 is 9, and only one letter is there, that is x. And multiply plus 3 times plus 2, it should be plus 6. So minus 6x square plus Krishav, plus 4x and minus 9x. What did you write? Minus 5x. So it should be minus 5x and plus 6. Okay. So 4x plus 1 and minus 3x minus 5. Right? Okay. So Jasraj, when you multiply plus 4x and minus 3x, what did you get?
Minus 12x squared.
Thank you. Minus 12x square. Okay. Plus 4x and minus 5. Kush, when you multiplied, what did you get? Plus 4x and minus 5. And minus 5. Minus 20x. Thank you. Okay. That's fine. Rajan, when you multiply plus 1 and minus 3x, what did you get? minus 3x. Okay. Now, Prabkirat, when you multiply plus 1 and minus 5, what did you get? Minus 5. Thank you. So it should be minus 12x square and minus 20x and minus 3x. Yeah, Mason. Once we add it, what will you get? Minus 23x and minus 5. Yeah. Okay, this is done. Now, fourth question. Neharika, when you multiply 6x with 2x, what did you get? 12x square. Okay. Paria, when you multiply 6x with 3, what did you get? Plus 6x and plus 3. What did you get? Yeah. Multiply. It is plus 6 and plus 3. So first multiply sign, Paria. Plus times plus is plus. Thank you. And when you multiply 6 times 3, how much it is? 6 times 3? 18 and x. Okay, that's fine. Now, plus 5 and plus 2x, right? So plus 5 and plus 2x, Dilanka, when you multiply plus 5 and plus 2x, plus 10x, okay, and plus 5 and plus 3. Yeah, Tom? Plus 15. Okay, and the last line is 12x square. Now 18x plus 10x, if you add it, so Ashvika, 18x plus 10x, once you add it, what will you get? 28x. And sign plus or minus? Plus 28x and plus 15. Okay. Do you have any question? Anything which is not clear? Okay. So that's fine. So I hope you have understood these binomial expansion, right? Okay. Every time you can see binomial is coming x square, x square, x square, and x square. Okay. And if you'll solve, you'll get these two values back. Okay. Two values of x. Okay. Thank you very much for today. Bye-bye.